Hey, who am I seeing? Papa, oui.
Papa, wa.
Papa, oui.
Sure. How are you?
Good to see you.
Look at you. You're looking so good. Where is Mama, Papa? Carry my box.
Papa, sure.
Papa, oui. Mama! Papa! Junior! Papa! Papa, no mama! Hey! How was your journey? Mama, my journey was fine. But it was stressful.
Hey, thank God. Hey, you're not. Come on, Sean. Okay, Papa Sean.
My don't want to do.
Hey, Atis.
Papa Sean. Papa, you don't know you are old school. Let me teach you. Papa Sean.
No. Like what? Somebody has not even gone for it. Come on, keep your mouth shut.
Hey. So you are done serving your fatherland.
Papa, I am done serving my fatherland. Hands down.
Hi. I wonder how you managed to escape the bandits.
Papa.
Boko Haram.
Papa, that is not something we should talk about. But we're fine. We were covered. Nothing happened.
Hey, thank God. I prepared your favorite.
I just
I prepared your favorite.
Let's go in. Let's go for celebration.
Hey, yes, so Mama, we need to celebrate. It's Why did you run? It's going so fast.
It's not the end of the world. But why will it happen? Why will it be me? What did I do wrong? God, is this how the world is? No, no, no. This world, no balance at all. What else have I done? What else can someone tell me? What is happening? Is it a dream?
So, how was your stay in the north?
Papa, my stay in the north was very stressful. But thank God, finally I am free.
Sister, I'm happy for you. You know, you only have to do that once, which you've done. So I believe sooner or later mine awaits me.
Of course yours awaits me. Although it's a little bit stressful, but there is the fun part of it. And I know you will find a reason to enjoy it. So thank God. I know you.
I pray so.
Look at you. You've not even gotten admission. But here you are discussing about NYSC. Well, it is better to plan ahead. It is safer. So now, keep planning. You will get there soon. You are right. But that is for serious people, not for serious people like you. Chiwetel, Junior, don't tell me you're not the same Junior you used to know before I met.
Sister, I am the same Junior you knew before you traveled. I don't know what Mama is talking about.
That was him. I wonder how he will make his jump with this attitude.
He's not the same Junior you used to know before you traveled. He has changed. Junior, is that true?
See, sister, I know what you're saying. Why are you condemning me before my sister? Have I done anything wrong? I'm the same Junior you know. What has changed?
Number one, he will no longer read his book.
Yeah.
Yes, he will go out looking for things that are not looking for him.
Papa, number two.
Okay, what has to count for you? Number two, you keep late night. You don't have to, you don't come back on time. Or you want me to start counting again? What are you saying? Now, am I hearing the right thing?
Sister, I know sometimes I keep late at night, but it doesn't stop me from studying my book.
You keep late night, sometimes. Can you hear yourself? No, did you listen to yourself? What has come over you, Junior? Is this how you want to achieve your dreams of becoming a medical doctor? Or you think one day you just wake up and go to the university and they'll give you admission for free? You have to study to get to that point. You can't just go out to study medicine without reading your books. And that will happen when you keep late nights.
Sister, I am who I am. I trust myself.
Yeah?
I'm still going to achieve my dream of becoming a medical doctor. Nothing can stop me.
Medical doctor. What medical doctor?
Becoming a medical doctor.
But why are you doing this to me? Why are you people condemning me before my sister?
He's only trying to curtail you. You are not reading your books, you're keeping late night, and you're asking your father what you have done to him.
Sister, eat your food. When it gets to that bridge, I will cross it.
Which bridge? The bridge that will cross without damaging it.
Nice bridge of
But I will cross it. I will surprise everyone here.
Fatali, then Castle.
Mr. Surprise! Mr. Surprise! That's what Junior was standing to. Oh! What would you know? What can manage
I'm not surprised. I need no acting. What are you telling me?
Why you go have to control him? You have to. Help us bring that.
Bro, you're wrong. I mean, you can't possibly judge everyone equally because of one person's mistake.
You're saying this because you're not the person in the picture.
Bro, if you lose interest in women, you're going on the wrong path. Look, I'm your brother. Like, why should I lie to you? Why should I advise you wrongly? Just let it go. Live your life like every other normal man. Come on, man. Stop stressing out.
I don't want to live my life like every normal man. I am tired with women.
We are not perfect. But I can tell you're a good man. And you deserve to be happy. So just let this problem go. Stop thinking about it.
It's not that easy. I mean, why should it be me?
Why should it be you?
Yeah.
You're not different. We all go through the same thing. So stop making it look like your own problem is bigger than everyone's problem. Calm down, man.
What are you doing here? You should be in the sitting room.
I should be here, watching you cook.
Listen. Okay, listen.
Oh, that's my favorite song.
You like it?
Of course.
That's with me. So tell me, when would your 1 month of exhaust?
Well, that's the sad part because I just want my leave to be extended, so I'll spend more time with my love.
So tell me why.
Because I want to see your face all the time.
So, why do you want to cut it? Leave it. I'm kidding.
Why? I just want to know.
No, babe, no. No, let me do it. That's my duty as your woman.
I just want to wake up all the time with you by my side. I just want to watch you smile all the time for me. Watch you do the cooking. Watch you do a whole lot for us.
For us, you're right. Me too. That's what I want.
Exactly!
Stop it!
So today, we're cheering to long life and prosperity. Thank you for being my best friend. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for being the love of my life. Thank you for being my comforter. Today we cheer to long life and prosperity and to our friendship leading to somewhere very soon. Cheers.
Cheers. Alice, I love you so much. I love you from the depth of my heart.
I love you more. Marry me. Marry me. Be with me forever.
Yes. 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 Wow. I can't believe this. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Come here. Kiss me.
But I'm here.
I'm so happy. Yes, I love it. Take it. Thank you, Alice.
I'm glad you love me.
I'm so happy.
Thank you for accepting me.
And thank you for everything.
Honestly, I don't know why I'm always unlucky with women.
Bro, you're still talking about this. Let this problem go. Stop stressing yourself. It's stressing your soul, man. Come on.
It's not easy. Hey, how much is that black label?
What black label?
Okay, it's 25,000.
Can I have it?
Please, don't give him that drink.
Why?
I'm paying for the drink. You're
I
already
have
getting
money. I have money. I can pay for my
Bro,
drink.
even if you finish a whole drink in this fridge, it won't change anything. You're gonna wake up tomorrow and still realize you still have a problem.
Allow me to drink away my
You're
sorrow.
not drinking shit.
Hey, give me that black label
Sit
now.
down there. Leave him alone.
Give me.
I'm the one paying. Don't give me the drink, okay?
I have money. I can pay for my drink.
You're not paying for it. You're not paying for it. I brought you here. I'll pay for it.
Here. Oh, you're here. I've been looking for you.
That's why you're happy. I hope all is well.
Everything is fine. When last did you see Mike?
I saw him yesterday when I was coming back from the market.
See that? Did he ask of me? Did he say anything?
He dares not. But wait, sister, why are you so happy? Don't tell me you're planning on disobeying father's order.
Anyway, thank you. I have gotten the answer I needed already.
I swear to God, if you step an inch to meet him, I will report you.
Junior, you would report me?
Yes, I will. What is wrong with you? Huh? Don't tell me you're planning on going to see him. If you dream of disobeying our parents' order, then I will report you.
Junior! Junior!
Michael, no. How are you?
I'm good, brother.
This is the first time you're visiting now. You didn't even inform me that you're coming.
Yeah, actually, I never had in mind of visiting you today.
Sorry, please. Sit down.
Thank you.
Well,
so, like I said, I never had in mind of visiting you today.
Okay.
Like I saw Lillian. I saw her on her NYC uniform. I'm certain you're not aware of her return. We were together yesterday. You never mentioned anything of such to me. Mike. Mike.
Yeah.
It's not like you hearing about Lillian. You previously you would like to jump to the sky. What happened? What has changed?
My brother, her parents. You see, I love Lillian so much. And I know she loves me too. But her parents is the only problem here. They won't stop reminding me of my condition. They always tell me that I will never marry their only daughter.
Oh, just because of money? Are they God? Macaulay-Idibia go? Yeah? That it doesn't have today doesn't mean that you won't have tomorrow.
My brother, that's the only thing I want them to understand. Hi. But they won't stop reminding me that you will never marry our only daughter. You will never. It breaks my heart.
Then let her go. Leave her. Is she the only beautiful girl that ever exists? Huh? You can always pick another beautiful girl out there that you get married to. I can even help.
You understand? Huh? I wish you understand. I love Lillian.
That is the problem.
From all I knew, I love that girl.
That's the problem. You love her, but look at the kind of thing you are passing through.
But it's easy. Huh? But it's easy. It's
not easy. You can always get another fine girl.
Let's change this topic. The more we say it, the more it hurts me. You know?
We are good. Like I told you yesterday now, everything is cool. Is it every day that you
call me? So I will arrange something for you.
Is it every day?
My guy.
Papa! Papa! Yes, thank you very much. Where is your brother?
He's inside.
Oh, okay. Let me call him. You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you. Mama, welcome.
Why haven't you gone to shop?
I'm going to work already. Yes.
Mama, you're back.
I am, Mama.
When did you come back?
I came in yesterday. Yes, ma.
Why not have seat?
No, it's okay. I'll stand and wait.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome.
I'm welcome. So you knew I came back?
Of course I know.
Really? And you didn't even bother to come to the house to look for me?
What? You expect me to embark on such suicide mission?
Wait a minute, I'm lost here. Who is asking you to embark on a suicide mission?
And do you really care to know?
Of course I do.
Imaka, come.
Where are we going?
We are going to gist. Let me tell you the story. Come. Well, you're looking gorgeous.
Don't touch me.
You're looking gorgeous.
Forget about this gorgeous thing. You need to tell me why you did not come to the house to see me.
Okay. It's your father.
My father? How?
Your father warned me never to step my feet into his compound. And also said that he doesn't want to see me anywhere close to his special daughter or any of the family members. So you don't expect me to sweep those threats away.
Okay, I'm going to make this clear. Whatever my father said to you was a mere threat. He didn't mean it. Moreover, this has been a long time ago. I'm sure this whole thing has even skipped his mind. Is that what you're still keeping here? Are you serious? Secondly, my love, even if my father meant what he said to you, this is our love. This is what we share. I mean, you should be able to stand up and fight for us. What we have is strong enough to make us come out victorious.
My love, I cherish you so much. And I want to assure you that nothing will ever make me stay away from you. Okay? I'll always be with you, no matter the circumstances. Always.
I cherish you too.
Oh. What?
What is wrong with you? Have you forgotten Mama is in the house? Don't come.
Just one.
Don't. If you come close to me, stop.
I will rush you.
Mike!
I will rush you.
Mike!
I will rush you. I will rush you.
Stop!
Mama is not coming.
You want your...
Let's take another one.
Yep.
Another one.
Wait.
I'll rush you.
Make me feel like it's not your loss.
Where is Lillian? Because I haven't seen her since morning.
No, I don't know her whereabouts.
What do you mean that you don't know her whereabouts? Could she have gone out without letting you know?
I think Junior might know her whereabouts.
Call Junior for me.
Someone say this life no balance, so I don't believe in love anymore. What happened to love? What happened to care? What happened to the sweet memories that accompany love? Hey, I am asking why.
Okay, good afternoon.
Why do I fall victim all the time? Why can't I find someone that loves me? I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect, every woman is the same. No perfect woman. Hey, I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect, every woman is the same. No perfect woman. Someone say this life no balance, so I don't
good afternoon.
believe in love anymore. What happened to love? What happened to care? What happened to the sweet memories that accompany love?
What do you want?
Okay. Since I just the waka down, they notice say you know your mood. I just say make I ask. Everything okay.
I want to ask you one question, hope you don't mind.
Okay, sir.
Do you have a woman in your life?
Okay. I have women. I don't have a woman. I have women in my life. So many of them.
Women?
Women.
Really? You must be King Solomon then, of our time, right? Okay, so how would you feel when one of the women breaks your heart?
Eh? Oh, none of them will break my heart. None of them. I don't think give them my heart to break. No, now. Oga, give me. Oh, which one? Which one will break my heart? Oga, none of these women want my heart, so I no fit give them. No, now. Okay, the other time, Uju come. Uju talk my salary. Say me and I go dey share. I say, Pam. The other time, what did you
hello. It's okay. I've gotten the point I want.
Okay.
And no woman is worth doing what again?
Breaking your heart.
Okay.
Okay, even if anyone, you remember I said, sorry. Okay, take a more. Because give them your heart. I saw you carry it.
It's my fault.
Let it not be what I'm thinking. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Lilian must have me to contend with in this house.
Nai, is she mad? She dare not do that. Bam, at all.
No problem. I'll wait for 5 minutes. If after 5 minutes I didn't see her, I'll go to that house. That Mike's house.
Now I am solidly behind you. Any action you want to take, I'm with you. Ha! I'm solidly behind you.
Hey, bien welcome. Come here. Where are you coming from?
Papa, what is it?
You asking me what is it? I'm telling you, tell me what is it. I said, where are you coming from?
Zano!
I went to check my traps.
Where is your sister Lydia?
Where is she?
Is she not inside?
You asking me? Are you stupid?
She's inside. We are just asking.
Okay, let me answer you. I have searched for her all through and I haven't seen her here since morning. Where is she?
If she's not inside, that means she has gone to see Mike.
No, I said it! I said it!
What makes you say so?
Yesterday she asked me of Mike. And before I left to check my traps, I overheard her discussing with Mike on the phone.
So after all my warnings, Lillian is still going to that boy. That poverty-stricken fool. Lillian that I trained in the university with all my money.
Let's wait for her to return. For us to know if she actually went to see Mike or not. Now wait now. Where are you going?
Leave me alone. Stop.
Take the knife from him. Hey, wait. You can become mad.
Lillian must explain to me.
Let's wait.
What's all this nonsense?
Let's have it done first.
Someone say this life no balance, so I don't believe in love anymore. What happened to love? What happened to care?
Hello, Jeff. Oh, you're coming to my house? Okay, I'm home. Alright, see you then.
Loves me. I can beat my chest and say I found the answer. No woman is perfect. Every woman is the same.
Junior! I know I'm not that sure.
And I know you have not suddenly gone blind, so why couldn't you greet me?
Greet you. Sister, listen, you can choose to believe whatsoever that you want to believe. Do you understand? As you can see, I'm heading to somewhere more important to me.
Oh.
More important to notice a sister who is bent on bringing shame and poverty to the family.
Wait a minute, Junior. Don't tell me you told Dad where I went to. Junior, I'm asking you.
You can confirm that when you get home.
Wait. You mean you actually told them I went to see Mike?
I just said you can confirm that when you get home.
You listen to me. You know it's a small world, and we all live in this world. One day you will find yourself in this same position I am in right now. And I hope you handle it with care.
God forbid. Go and meet him. That's the only thing you know how to do in this village. Sometimes I wish you're not my sister.
Papa, I want you. I want you. I want Papa. You will see what Papa. I want you. So after all my warnings, you are still seeing that imbecile. Let me warn you. Listen and listen good to me. You will never marry that boy without our consent. Just have it at the back of your mind. Idiot.
So my daughter, after all the universities, after everything we did for you, you decided to rub our face with shame. Lillian, what have we not done for you?
Why are you doing this to me? What have I done? Why are you making life so difficult for me? Why? Papa, listen. Mike may be poor, but I have feelings for him.
Mechiano!
You have
Mechiano! Hey? What feelings are you talking about? What can feelings do for you? Can feelings provide shelter for you? Can feelings take care of you? Can feelings even take care of your parents? Look, let me tell you. It is time for you to decide. It is time you forget about that idiot. That riffraff. If you really want us, your parents, to stand by you. Else!
Now listen to me. Henceforth, you stop seeing that boy.
Badam!
Yes. If you dare me, I'll disown you. Come on, get out of this place.
Alex, you're doing yourself more harm than good. I find it very difficult to believe when Evans told me. I mean, how can a handsome, cute and fat-like guy like you grieve over a prostitute? Linda doesn't worth you. She doesn't at all. Linda doesn't deserve you. She doesn't. You see? You should even be grateful you discovered Ellie before going into an internal bondage called marriage with that prostitute. There are girls everywhere, beautiful girls, educated girls, hoping to be in your arms. Pick one of them. Pick one of them. Instead of grieving your life until eternity. That won't help you, Alex.
Done with girls, bro. I don't want to have anything to do with them anymore.
Are you planning to be gay?
Well, I'm just thinking of switching lanes. No more being a lover boy. Being a bad boy is a new trend right now.
Oh no. No, Alex. You don't deserve that now. Being a bad boy, no. Far from it.
But what would you have me do? Being a good boy, lover boy. Shown them care, but what happens in return? Now you tell me. What would you have me do?
You're losing it, Alex.
Well, I'm fine, just that I've lost it.
Alex, you have not lost anything. You have not. You see, this is not the end of the world. Don't lose faith in humanity. Don't. You see, I expect you to be looking at what you've achieved in life, what you're achieving now, and what you stand to achieve in the future. That's what matters now, Alex. Okay? That's what matters now. To peace of mind. Not a bad boy.
To being a bad boy.
It doesn't suit you, Alex. It doesn't suit you. Come on. Cheer, boy. Nice wine. Tastes good.
Spanish.
Why are you all alone like this? What's wrong?
Why has everyone proven to be against me in this house? I am old enough to know what I want. And what I do not want, why wouldn't they just allow me be?
Yes, because your insensitive action is about to cause this family. Why are you doing this? Sister, I am not against your feelings. But you have to consider mine and everyone around. Sister, I dropped my education because of you. Because father couldn't provide for both of us in higher institution. Why are you doing this? You know the plan was for you to graduate, get a good job, probably get an inflation man. Then sponsor me in my education.
Junior, sometimes things don't happen the way we want them to. Things don't work out the way we planned them. Look at me. I am just a girl in love. I love Mike and you know it. I just want you all to understand me.
Sister, if I must say, you're just being selfish. What? Believe me, you stand alone in this.
I am not selfish. I have never been and will never be. I just love him.
Trust me, you are.
What in God's name is wrong with everybody in this house?
How are you?
You're welcome, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. Is my brother in?
I think he's inside there. Because his friend just left now.
Okay.
I hope to buy something from you.
Sure, I did. I'll get it for you later. Alright?
My mom!
Yes.
Francis!
Wow!
Okay.
Bro.
So have you heard from our parents?
Yeah, sure, I did. I called them yesterday. And I also told them I'll be coming to see you today.
How are they?
They're fine. They're fine. Just that Mama. You know Mama with her usual complaints of waist pain.
I don't know the cause of that regular waist pain. Seriously.
I must say I don't even know the cause of that waist pain that Mama is experiencing.
We need to take her for another medical checkup.
You're right. You're right.
Okay, so go and freshen up. Let's go to Lady's house.
No problem, bro. Might go change now.
Hey!
Well, give me my phone. Check that in the way.
It's not done yet.
Why must it be me? Am I supposed to experience this pain? Am I supposed to have this type of feelings? Lord, please protect me. Please guide me.
Why is she not taking my calls now? Why is she not taking my calls?
Guide me, oh Lord. Do not let me fall. Oh God.
Why? What is happening? Why is she ignoring my calls? She has never behaved like this before. What is going on? Is it because I don't have money? Why is she treating me this way? Hi. God, please. Please help me. Please, God, please help me. God, help me.
But I didn't know he's ready.
Chiamaka, just go, Just go.
But you asked me to prepare the food for you.
Chiamaka, you can go ahead and eat it. I don't have appetite to eat anything now, okay?
Okay then.
If you don't want to eat it, you can cover it.
Thanks, bro.
How's Auntie Linda?
We've parted ways.
What? For the last time I returned back for holiday, you guys were making an arrangement for marriage.
Exactly. But then I caught her in a hotel with another man.
Jeez.
Yeah.
But you know no one that did that?
Mm-hmm. She did it. Unbelievable, yeah?
Sure.
Well, I was down for some time until I, decided to let the whole thing go and move on with my life. It wasn't easy for me.
No, you shouldn't be, okay? Because everything happens for a reason, you know? And probably maybe you guys are not meant for each other. And that was the only way God could use to separate you guys. Hmm?
But God couldn't have allowed us to meet then, if you ask me. Because it wasn't easy for me. You know how much I loved that girl.
Just remember one thing. His ways are not our ways. Yeah, sure.
That's true.
God has a reason for doing something like this. Because probably maybe He has seen it that you are about to make the greatest mistake of your life. And that was why He used this opportunity to separate you guys. But one thing I'll advise you, bro, is that take this as a blessing and not a disappointment. Okay? Just move on with your life.
I already did.
Please. I'm here because I know you're the only one I can talk to at this moment. I know you would feel my pain. Please, I love Mike. I love him from the bottom of my heart. Mama, that is the only man my heart beats for. All I'm asking is just for you to talk to Papa so he could permit me to spend the rest of my life with him. Please.
Lillian, who did this to you? I am asking, who did this to you? Is it through food or by air? So you want to tell me that after spending 4 solid years in the university, you have the guts and impetus to ask for permission to marry a man that was ordained for poverty right from womb? Hey! See, let me tell you, if your father mistakenly gives his consent, I, Carolina, your mother, will never and ever do that. I will never give my own consent. Just get it at the back of your mind. Iheme, do you want to die in wretchedness? If you want to die in wretchedness, I will not do that. It's not still Utoye Diego. What is your problem? Don't mama me! Ha! Stay there! You are a disgrace. Hey, Hannah, mama.
I've been calling you the whole time. Mike, listen to me. Mike, I love you. My heart beats for you. And heaven bear me witness, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. But I'm not sure that our wishes can even come to pass. Look at what is happening. The pressure is too much.
Lillian, do not hurt the heart that cares for you. Please, do not walk behind me. My best friend, whom my heart lies on. Please do not give up on me.
I don't want to. I don't want to. I really want to be with you the whole time, but I can't go against my foundation. Maybe we're not meant to be together.